deposit that to your wallet. You are going to have to list a wallet with them. Ideally, that's in like a Fireblocks instance at a minimum. You could hold it with Uphold next to your bank account there. We can do that inside of the app, the DAG app. So if you want to go to app.digitalascensiongroup.com and download that and upload your LLC. We don't have that infrastructure built in yet for payments to be able to, to be paid, but you could list those wallet addresses. You can also use Unstoppable Domains. I helped a few business owners way back in 2020 set that up. You can use an Unstoppable domain and register it, and then attach whatever wallets you want those payments to go to. And people can make a payment to that Unstoppable domain, and it will flow through to that wallet that you have listed to be able to accept those payments. So it's one unified, you don't have to have the wallet address or any of that. They send it to your Unstoppable domain, and then it would route it to whichever, crypto wallet you were accepting. So if you wanted Bitcoin, Doge, I think it'll do Litecoin, XRP, XLM. They probably have a larger breadth now than they used to. Those were just the ones at the time. Obviously, Tether and USDC were there as well. So that's one way that you could do it if you did want to accept crypto. The problem that you're going to run into there is just the accounting side of it. So you're going to have to give your CPA or accounting team access to that wallet to be able to review the payments and then reconcile those with your books. They are, it's taxable income, just like it would be for anything else. So you're going to need to withhold taxes. So there's some additional complications if you don't use a payment processor that'll process crypto for you and, then send it to your wallets. It also doesn't work great with WooCommerce or whatever e-commerce platform you're leveraging in order to facilitate payments through an online avenue. If it's in store, you could probably have somebody scan a QR code that had your Unstoppable domain listed as it, or just have them send it to your Unstoppable domain. That way it's just it's the same thing over and over again. But again, in order to reconcile that and make sure your accounting's correct, you're going to have to give access to your CPA or your accountant. So those are if you want to just take it direct through the Unstoppable domain, you're not going to deal with that 1% fee. But what's going to happen for sales tax and everything else out of that, you're going to have to take care of yourself. If you want to use one of the payment processors that WorldPay kind of backs, there's a couple different ones out there, or you can use WorldPay directly. They would be able to facilitate those. And, again, for that small fee of 1%, make sure that all the taxes were taken out and it's reconciled with your regular books through QuickBooks or another application.